What's the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent. 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 Adjacent refers to things that are next to or adjoining each other, often with a shared boundary. This can refer to physical spaces or objects, as well as abstract concepts like time periods or ideas. The term is commonly used in geometry and mathematics to describe the relationship between two sides of a shape. Understanding adjacent relationships is important in fields like architecture and urban planning, where knowledge of spatial organization is crucial. In everyday life, being aware of what is adjacent to us can help us navigate physical spaces more effectively and appreciate the interconnectedness of our surroundings.